Hey guys, welcome back. Well, guess what? I'm a little excited today because I received my Boxycharm for the month of August. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into my box and see what items I received. This is how it comes. And Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size items every single month. And it comes in a box just like this. It's packaged very well, so if you want to check out my link in my description below where you can get all the information on Boxycharm and for you to sign up, go ahead and check that out. So diving into the box, we start off with this little pamphlet here that just, or a little card that just tells you the theme of this month, and it's totally Boxycharm. And in the back, it has a brief description of all the items that are in my box and my variation. Normally it's in the back. This has to be on here. Oh, it's in the front this time. So it's variation 2. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pull out the first item here. And it looks like we got a mascara. This is Big Ego from Tarte, and my daughter loves the mascaras from Tarte. This is her favorite brand. But I don't think she's tried this particular one yet. Oh my lord. An ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. And this retails for $23. So that's pretty good. And it's pretty big. Lately the mascaras we've been receiving have been pretty big like this. And I like the wand. Mascara for me can last me forever, so normally these go to my daughter. Then the next item that I have here is from Steve Laurent, and this is Reshape, Resize, Redefine Your Pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lips, your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours, and this retails for $15. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is a nice, let's see. This is a nice color. So there you go. And it does feel pretty smooth, which I don't have lipstick on right now. So this is the perfect time to try it. Okay, so I'm gonna fill it in with, ooh, this came off. I don't even know what brand it is. All the writing came off. Yeah, I'm not that brave to not use a mirror. And that kind of matches. Next thing we have here is Wander Beauty, the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So there you go right there. This multitasking beauty instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore the skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time, and this retails for $42, which I kind of wasn't really wanting to try it, but for $42 I need to try it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and give it a go. So it has this little dropper here. And then it like this. Okay, so it feels really good on. I was actually assuming it was going to be very oily in my face, so I was kind of not sure to try it. But it feels like kind of like a primer would, but it's not sticky, and it does absorb very well. And the next thing we have here is from Ace Beauty. It's the Glimmer Shadow, and this is in color Cotton Candy and Ice Latte. So there you go. These are the 2 colors. High pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. And these total $25. So the next little thing I have here is, I'll just turn it this way for you. It's from Becca. It's the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Ooh, love the packaging, of course. I love Becca's packaging. I'm gonna blind you right there. So this is a powder. Oh yeah, keep close to keep cool. Keep cool. This powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin. Mist-like sensation for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Mist-like sensation. Okay, let's check that out. So it has this little peel. So we're just gonna peel it a little bit so that the powder don't go all over the place. Okay, so ooh, that's messy. Okay, it has the screen. So it's that little cushion, like that bouncy fabric. So this is gonna be messy. So I'm only gonna peel that off just a tad. Okay, so here we go. I'm tapping. Oh my God. It feels so weird. It's like wet, but it feels so good. Like I can just use this all day long. It's weird because I can see the powder as I'm applying it, like, you know, poofing in the air. But it feels like if you would wet powder, how it would cake up on you, like Play-Doh, like it would gather. Like you would think mentally that it's doing that, but it's not. And it feels cool, like wet. I don't know. This is so weird. Okay, I can just like do this for hours. As far as how it applies on foundation, I have no foundation on, so I can't really tell. I'm gonna have to continue trying this, but I like the way it feels. Okay, so it looks like so far this is my favorite thing in the box right here. And just for this, I think the whole box is like totally worth it. But then of course we have the eyeshadows. We have this little thing I have to, oil thing that I'm gonna have to try with my makeup. Mascara is always a win. And then of course the lip liner. So that's pretty good. And all this, let me just check the total. And okay, so I think I added this up right, $144. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below what products you liked and what products you didn't like. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a spoiler. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. As always, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below.